Hey guys, on this step we're going to go from moles of oxygen to moles of water. And we're going to show you how to do that. So, if we look at our big chart that you have in front of you, okay, don't just focus on my board, focus on your own chart. It's going to get you used to using it. What you notice is we're going from moles of one thing to moles of another. Okay? Substance is changing. We're changing it from O2 to H2O. So, we are going from A, which we'll call O2, to B, which is H2O. Okay? You can write those there if you want. I'll show you how that looks. You don't always have to write it. But if I wanted A to be O2, I just write O2 right there. If I want B to be H2O, as long as they're different, they're fine. It will work out. If you switch A and B, that's fine. It works out the same. Okay. So, how do you get from moles of A, I will erase these, we don't need grams right now. How do you get from moles of A to moles of B? You use the mole ratio. Use mole ratio. So that is from the balanced equation. You'll see I have a balanced equation right there. Okay? Use the mole ratio. So, let's use the mole ratio, see what we get. First thing, draw your T. You draw your T on every problem. What we start with goes in the top left. Okay? Whatever your units are up here, go down here. Always going to work that way. In this step, what are we looking for is the question. Okay? We're going from moles of A, moles of O2, to moles of B, which is moles of H2O. So that just goes on the top. The numbers in these blanks are not the molar mass, they're balanced equation numbers called the mole ratio. So, we look at the coefficients on H2O and oxygen. Look with me. 2 waters, 1 oxygen. So 2 goes in front of waters because the coefficient is a 2. 1 goes in front of oxygen because the coefficient's a 1. Okay? You multiply top, divide by bottom. 36 times 2, 72 moles of water. You notice the units are whatever's in the top right, okay, because the other units cancel out. Okay, hopefully this is making more sense to you on how to do mole ratio, moles of one substance to moles of another. Okay.